Welcome to today's show where I'll be answering one question for next 10 days. So let's get on with today's question. Today's question is I am a teenager and what should I do to get rich? The short answer is start now. Let me explain what I mean by that in a way that would probably benefit you even if you are not a teenager. This is the perfect time in your life to start your road to living a successful life. Why? Because of the following reasons. Number one, you are not paying rent. Number two, you have got so much time on your hands that if you start now, you will get massive advantage over everyone else. Compounding time is going to be the eighth wonder of you. As mentioned by Einstein, he who understands it earns it, he who doesn't pays for it. So, what should you do? Number one, the easiest way to start is by reading a book on self-help topic or on a subject you are really passionate about. Number two, absorb as much knowledge as possible about the industry you are passionate about. Number three, find an entrepreneur or a person who has already achieved the status you are shooting for and start analyzing them. Learn their story, what they did, how they did it, and what circumstances, and more. Number three, you are reading this, that's really something. At this young age, there are so many distractions around you that it is really easy to get sidetracked. Statistically, the large amount of time wasted by teenagers is in the following categories: watching entertainment, gaming for entertainment, and spending time on social media. What these have in common? They all are for entertainment purposes only. You do them to feel good. There is nothing wrong in entertainment consumption or with gaming. Everyone does, but just how much time are you wasting on that? Look at it like this. If you had a box of chocolate in front of you with thousands chocolates, the first one you take out and eat is the best tasting one. The second one is also good, but just a little bit less good than the first one. The third one is good but less than the previous one. As you keep going through the chocolates, the satisfaction with each piece decreases, even up to a point where if you keep consuming, you will fall sick. The same principle applies to entertainment. Follow the few rules regarding the entertainment. Number one, never settle for mediocrity. Number two, consume entertainment occasionally. If you want to play some PUBG or League of Legends, do it with your friends. But remember that each game can go around 30 to 40 minutes. Add those up and you can easily waste a couple of hours. Use entertainment as a reward only after you are done with your studies, and by this I don't mean homework. You will reward yourself with high quality entertainment if you start managing your time just a little bit better. Then start putting in some work, read the right books, reading some industry news, and try to get your hand dirty. You have got a great future ahead of you. Just don't think it's going to happen overnight. So, do I answer your question? What do you think you can add on this subject? Just let me know about that. I hope you are enjoying. Thanks for listening. See you tomorrow. Don't think it's going to happen overnight. So, do I answer your question? What do you think you can add on this subject? Just let me know about that. I hope you are enjoying. Thanks for listening. See you tomorrow.